Hey everyone, welcome to the Render Garage Studios here in Melbourne, Australia. I'm Matt Barnsley and I'm here to introduce you to our latest render to reality project, a 1971 Ford XY Falcon. This car's owned by Perrin Angus. So Perrin's just about to take his XY down to best digital signs, where Pete Cornish and the team are going to hopefully turn our renders into reality to look exactly like this. We're down at Best Digital Signs now. I'm here with Pete Cornish. Perrin's dropped his car off the other day, and Pete's got to run us through how he plans to tackle the install on this car.
So firstly, we've got all our prints all ready to go. We will lay them up on the car. We're going to start with the bonnet and work from there, and then do the sides and transition to the roof. But firstly, we're going to throw all the prints on the car, or at least the bonnet and the sides, just to check where our registrations and colours are lining up. Colour blends are a little bit tricky to line up on this car, especially on the bonnet as well as the roof, and we'll go from there, I guess.
Well, let's get stuck into it and
Let's go.
watch Pete do his magic.
Yep.
So I thought I'd get my beast out, come down here. I haven't actually seen Perrin's car since he's bolted everything all back together, but he should be rocking up any second now, and I can't wait to see it all complete, see it out in the sun, and see how good it looks. So let's see. Mate,
How's it going?
how good does it look?
Yeah, awesome, mate. It's come together so nice.
It is epic with everything back on. It looks absolutely killer. All those pictures you were sending me, far out.
Until you see it in person, it just doesn't do it justice, the pictures.
What was it like? Were you getting much attention on the road here?
Oh yeah, I had a little LJ chasing me all the way here. And yeah, a few other people at the service station.
Yes.
Yeah.
Man, looks so good. We'll show everyone. We'll have a good look around and yeah, show everyone the completed product. So what do you think? I'm so happy with how Perrin's car's turned out. It looks so good with everything all bolted back on and complete. I'm so happy and so proud also of how good the designs come up on the finished product, which is a huge credit to Best Digital Signs and particularly Pete Cornish, who takes that extra time and effort to get it all in the right spots and matching my renders. If you're coming to Summernats, make sure you come up and say g'day. We'll be cruising both these cars around. Come up, say g'day, check out the car up close. Welcome to touch it and feel it. I know that's what I love about my car, is it's very tactile. So don't scratch it, but come up and have a look. Also make sure you follow us on our social media channels. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that sort of stuff. So jump on our website and connect with us. Thanks guys, catch you soon.